Yo! So in today's video, we play pick a truck for a free godly. If you want to be in these videos, then make sure to join my Discord server. Link is in the description. Want to buy MM2 items cheap and easily? Use code MEGANOOB for 10% off at rbxitems.com. You can shop for all your favorite MM2 weapons. Anyways, let's start the video. So if you don't know how this works, basically the people have to pick a truck, and if they choose the truck I pick, then they die. If they choose the truck that I don't pick, then they survive. We will keep on going until we are down to the final person. I'm going to choose this truck, so everyone in here will sadly be out. There is only 4 people remaining. I have eliminated quite a lot of people already. Also, I am going to try post a lot more videos from now. I will try to do daily uploads. This time I am gonna choose this truck. We got 1 person out. We have 3 people left. Good luck. I am going to choose this truck. Which has 1 person in. We have the final 2 remaining. Good luck to them. The duck has won. GG. Let's give them their prize. Enjoy the blaster. Alright, we have everybody here for the next round. Let's get started. Rip to all these people. For people left, good luck to them. This time I am choosing this truck. Which 3 people are in, meaning that we have a winner. GG Sarah. Enjoy your prize. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.